actually indoors this time. Welcome back to The Only Way Is Beastly. This one I'm going to be doing a quick review on these little grill plates that turn your camping stove into basically a gas barbecue, gas grill. I've been looking online before I brought one and I couldn't really find too much about them, so I went out and brought one and found out for myself. So here we go. Into it. Right, this is what it'll look like. High Gear recommends you use all High Gear stuff, but that's simply not the case. Well, in my case I can't because I already owned my cooker. It's a cheap Chinese generic one, but like I would recommend, always use branded stuff together. If it's designed for that thing, use it for that. But this seems to fit pretty well. It doesn't lock in like it does on the High Gear one. It does have a bit of movement, but that's fine. If you're aware about it, it's safe enough to use. I always remove this when lighting, because it also helps this. This is just aluminium, non-stick coating, works quite well. This is the base of it. This also works like a drip tray, so all the grease drips and collects in here, which is very handy. Lighting, I always take the top off. As you can see, my cooker is a little bit old and getting worn out now. And then this simply sits on the top, just like that. Then you give it a little while to heat up, and then you just carry on. You go to cook on it just like a barbecue. Now that's actually quite warm and ready to go straight away. Just for a visual, a little bit of water. There we go. And away it's ready to go. Unfortunately, I don't have any meat to cook, but just to show you how it works very well. I've used it to cook a full barbecue for 2 or 3 of us. We had burgers on there, a couple of sausages. The sausages were a bit tricky to cook. You had to stack them like that, or else they will roll off. But it cooks quite well, and it is one of the things I am happy to carry with me when camping. Now the reason I've got one of these and not a big gas one is because I do motorcycle camping. So if you're struck for space and you need something to do more than one job, these are perfect. The little stoves and little gadgets like this, because right now it's a barbecue like that. It's a normal stove ready to cook as normal. Put your kettle on it, your pots, your pans, anything at all. Yeah, so when you're stuck for space and weight, I would highly recommend one of these little stovetop barbecues. Cheers for watching.